Here we are at Harrogate train station. And yeah, we're about to get on the train to Leeds. And this is Oni.
I am so excited right now! That's what it's something!
We are at Leeds.
Yeah, we're in Leeds. We just got on the train to London. We want a seat with a table.
So we're gonna go in search for one with a table.
Wish us luck!
We got a table.
In all its glory.
And as well as that, I'm going to show you what we had to eat because I've had a birthday cake and Cocoa Pops for breakfast. So I decided to be healthy since we're having Pizza Hut tonight. So I'll start off my innocent strawberries and banana smoothie. Chili Snacker Jacks. And cheese and pesto pasta salad.
Mine doesn't come out of my backpack. Well, I have had some zombie cake, a Kit Kat chunky. Oh my god, my day is so unhealthy. And some vegetable crisps.
That's one of the 5 a day in those.
Oh, this is well healthy actually. Chicken, bacon, and sweet corn salad. Oh, look at the salad. Oh, the Pepsi Max because I've been swayed.
I think mine just wins on the health front.
Well, we're not walking, are we?
I would disagree.
Wake me up half an hour.
It looks so pretty full, doesn't it?
Yes, boss.
Are you having fun, Oni?
I'll go sit and do the
What book are you reading? The Lovely Bones.
What book are you reading, Megan?
Well, yeah, that I'll just say for cheers after. It's rubbish. Don't read it.
I'm still reading it though.
I know I am. I've got to find out what happens.
We're
in London.
I am about to set up on London ground.
It's boiling here in London. Honestly, I feel like we're in the lab.
Closer to the middle.
We're closer to the middle.
The equator.
Yeah,
that's why it's warm there. Yay! My science brain.
We're gonna go in search of platform 9 3/4 now. So we're in the 9 to 11 section. Oni's in desperate search of the platform 9 3/4. Are you sure they have this?
I've seen it with my own eyes.
She hasn't, has she? We found it! So yeah, we have to go into this queue area. And this is what we do now. Yeah, that's what we were doing. Oni's very excited and she spotted wands in there, so we have to go in now. There we go, right. She's really gay.
Sorry!
Bye! We are in the bookshop and Oni is buying the Tales of Beedle, the Bard. What is that, Oni?
This is the Deathly Hallows, so in here is the story of the Deathly Hallows, which, if you are a complete and utter doofus and you don't know, is the Elder Wand, the Invisibility Cloak, and the Elixir of Life, the Stone.
Oh yeah, that's from that.
Together. It's also on my keyring if you want to see.
I'm okay. We are on the tube. Not that you can hear us. Right, I'm just gonna. That's what you got to do with.
Don't go that close to my face.
So we have got three stops.
Until we get to Leicester Square. And then what we do
I'm
is
sweating so much.
it's really hot, isn't it?
It's really hot. You look so somber then. So we got on the train to where are we? We're at Waterloo and we're going to Poole and we're just taking off. Why? The sky is something else. And we've got drinks, just about, like we have no time. Really? And what have you got?
Iced lemonade.
And that looks really good.
£3 for iced lemonade though. It's a bit of a rip-off if you ask me.
And I got a
Safety information displayed in all
mango and passion fruit cooler. Like thick.
Is it?
Yeah, like
filling.
cappuccino. Yeah.
Shortly I'll be walking through the train.
So it's a 2-hour journey down south. And yeah.
I can smell sand.
Hello, what are you doing? It's what we see. You can smell the smell of, what is that smell? It's like fish and seaweed. Yeah, like train tracks with the weight. It's a cute little cobbledy bit. I see how that's like Harrogate.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're good.
Definitely.
Right, oh my god. Right, so we're now going to go find the flat.
I think we should go spend some time in Linens Direct.
I do too. I mean, I can't even tell on the camera. Do you remember what she said where we go?
No. Go. I don't know. No.
Straight?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Should go straight. Do not stop walking. Go straight.
Never stop walking. She didn't say that though.
She did.
We found it. Look. 1 minute. Don't know if you're there, LUSH Spa.
Oh, the sun.
LUSH Spa. Let's get it. Oh, look.
Oh my god! Wow.
Look through the window. How cute is that? LUSH Spa. Oh, LUSH, you make me so happy. Oh, look.
Their emotional brilliance wall is huge. They've got the lip balm stuck to the wall. That is so cool.
Yeah, we should get that. I'm gonna zoom on that one.
Oh, look at all their naked products. I really like the layout of their shop.
Why is ours that like this, eh?
Schoolroom, is that where they teach stuff?
We found the schoolroom. We've managed to get into the flat. We don't really know where we're going, but there's a schoolroom.
This is so cool.
I know. How cool is that? So we managed to get in, and our room's called Smitten on the 2nd floor. And it's pink, and Oni's dying.
Aww.
What's in here? And you'll be happy to know that it smells like LUSH and has a TV. But this is the view from outside, which is nice. This is Oni dying. We've bagged it up. So they've got this mirror where you write your favourite product. And what have you written, Oni?
Rose Argan body conditioner.
Really difficult to photograph that. Oni Harriet. Yay! I'll turn that off. Hi there, I'm sorry, I've got a very random question to ask. We are new to Poole and we are on High Street in Poole. Are you anywhere
Market
near
Street.
the High Street? You're not at all? Okay then. Alright, okay then. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye. 10-15 minute drive. I thought you were filming. Sorry, I need to find a belt back. I know. Do you want me to film your face?
This smile is not for my happiness. This smile is because Megan is a noob.
I'm not a noob. Where do you want to go?
Pizza Hut. That's where I want to go.
We can't.
You're...